27th June 2022, the Supreme Court of United States on Friday overturned a judgment of Roe versus Wade. This judgment was giving right to women for abortion. Justice Stephen, Justice Sonia, and Justice Elena overturned this right to abortion that had been in place in the state for nearly last 50 years. This ruling is passed by majority of 6-3 and upheld Republican-backed Mississippi law that bans abortion after 15 weeks. The women rights activist group is objecting to this judgment, and it is said taking away the right to abortion, as the majority does, destroys all those individual plans and expectations. In doing so, it diminishes women's opportunity to participate fully and equally in the nation's political, social, and economic life. Abortion can be allowed as per this judgment only in case of medical emergency. It is further 27 June 2022. We have seen what is there in USA now, the law for abortion. Now in India, the abortion was legal under various circumstances for last 50 years. Now Indian government introduced in 1971 Medical Termination of Pregnancy Act. This act was amended in the year 2003 to enable women's accessibility to safe and legal abortion service. In 2022, this MTP Amendment Act was introduced and enacted, and it was passed. It is in force, and under this act, including all women being allowed to seek safe abortion service on the grounds of contraceptive failure, increase in gestation limit of 24 weeks of fetal for special categories of women, and opinion of the provider requires up to 20 weeks of gestation. Abortion can now be performed until 24 weeks of pregnancy, as MTP Amendment Act 2021 has come into force, and it is notified from 24th September 2021. 27 June 2022, it is not out of place to remember an incident of Savita, who was residing in Ireland and was pregnant. She was a dentist, and she died of sepsis. She was pregnant, and due to sepsis, she in Ireland till December 2018, abortion was illegal, and in no circumstances it was permitted. Savita applied for abortion, but it was denied on the legal grounds, which the law of land of Ireland, which was prevalent on the day of her application. Thereafter, she died of sepsis. And in the wake, this has become international news, and in the wake of a nationwide outcry, and even international, you can say in India, there was a lot of debate. A nationwide outcry over her death, voters passed in a landslide the 36th Amendment of the Constitution, which repealed the 8th Amendment of Constitution of Ireland and empowered the President of Ireland to legislate for abortion. It did so through the Health Regulation of Termination of Pregnancy Act 2018, signed into law on 28th December.